Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate GST on multiple items in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data with the multiples product with the different GST rate and the total sales amount. So to calculate the GST amount, select the sale and USD is equal to and select here the sales amount of this product. Then add here the asterisk sign. Then select here the GST percentage cell and press the enter, and that's it. Here the GST amount is calculated. Now select the GST amount and double click on this corner point to fill the below cell. And you can see that every product GST amount is calculated as per the GST rate. If you change here the GST rate, suppose here I type here 18% and press enter, the GST amount also changed automatically. Okay, then to calculate the total amount, select the sale, USD is equal to, select the total sale, then add, then select the GST amount and press here enter. Then select the sale and double click on this corner point to fill the below cell, and that's it. So this is the way you can calculate GST amount in multiple items in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.